Hi everyone, welcome to Reviewse. In today's video we will be reviewing an awesome tool that helps in SEO ranking. But before we jump right into the video, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel with the bell icon turned on so as to be notified when I upload new videos. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. How many people watch YouTube videos right now desire to climb the YouTube ranks, and expand your channel and do positive things? Here's a tool I recently acquired. It's known as the Lingo Blaster. In essence, what it accomplishes is connections, so that you can add it to your YouTube channel or your YouTube accounts, after which translate the text in your video descriptions up to 100 different languages. You can also do captioning in other languages, in order to set your closed captions to the item that's in other languages. Interesting aspect about this is that a lot of the world doesn't speak English right, and the majority of other countries in the world will search on YouTube when it is configured to native language. Additionally, consider that 35% of all videos watched aren't observed with the sound off, of course captions and subtitles to the scene. YouTube does this instantly for you but only in the language of origin the video was made in. Thus it's a scoop I entered, and a lot of the countries that find my videos a decent percent of turns out to be from other countries, so the goal is to provide a version of my videos in other languages. For instance Egypt, you are well aware of my Egyptian buddies view my reviews presentation, so that when they launch therein they might do a search for whatever the tags, words, and information. Enhancing the browser's performance language now that I have the capacity for using YouTube. Look up those native terms for my video in that language, so I think that this is quite lovely. To produce these videos, you literally attach your YouTube channel, and there is a pro version that allows you to add several YouTube accounts automatically. Additionally, it is capable of making captions, and does the same translation thing for closed captioning, so for people that don't speak English, and they turn closed captions on their YouTube set to their native language, it's going to do the translation into their language. Updating your captions is a must here, though, because YouTube loves captions, and it uses captions to index their content. I will leave a link to this awesome product in this video description. I don't have any traffic statistics yet. However, everything appeared to operate without issue and everything is okay, as I said, and I use it. That's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video because it helps this channel a lot, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video and bye for now.